Is this $15 aesthetic travel jewelry box actually worth your money, or is it just another pretty Insta-trap? Today, I'm giving you the honest truth. Hi everyone, it's Jen. Welcome back to Jen's Trend Picks. If you're looking for the perfect, compact companion for your next trip, you've probably seen this VLANDO box everywhere. But before you click buy, there are a few hidden pros and cons you absolutely need to know. First, the shipping was insane. It arrived in less than 24 hours. When I took it out of the plastic wrapper, the first thing I noticed was the texture. It feels amazingly soft, and the pastel color is so elegant. But what really impressed me was the stitching. Look at how neat and clean these seams are. You can immediately tell it's well made. Now, let's open it up. To be honest, I expected the zipper to be a bit stiff at first, but it opens so smoothly, no catching at all. Inside, the lining is made of an ultra-soft velvet material. It feels so premium, and you definitely won't have to worry about your precious jewelry getting scratched. I don't own a massive collection of jewelry myself, so I couldn't fill it to the brim. But as you can see, there is plenty of room. One of the best things about this box is its portability. It's literally the size of my palm. It fits perfectly into my everyday purse, making it an absolute must-have for traveling. And the design is so clever. On the left side, there are 4 small compartments, but you can actually remove the dividers. This is perfect if you want to slide in longer items, like a lip gloss, to keep your touch-up essentials all in one place. Plus, there's a built-in mirror right in the middle divider. It is so convenient because you don't have to go hunting for a mirror when putting on your jewelry. But as you know, I always give you the honest truth on this channel. Here are a few real use tips and minor drawbacks. When I first put all my jewelry in and tried to zip it up, it wouldn't close because of some chunky, protruding rings. But here is the fix. Just lay those bulkier pieces flat on their side. Problem solved. One actual downside is that when you first open the zipper and set it on a desk, it struggles to stand completely upright. It feels a bit off balance. However, I noticed that as the material softens up with continuous use, it starts to find its balance. Also, if you love wearing large hoop earrings, you might find it a bit tricky. There isn't a dedicated spot for them, so your best bet is to hang them in the chain section or remove the dividers and store them together. Overall, for the price, this VLANDO jewelry box is a beautiful, functional, and aesthetic find for anyone who travels or loves neat organization. If you want to check it out for yourself, I've left the direct link in the description box and the pinned comment below, greater than. If this review was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Jen's Trend Picks, and let me know in the comments what you think of this pastel color. See you in the next pick. Bye!